Hello, I'm Victoria from Renaissance Capital, and I'm going to walk you through the email preferences on IPO Pro. So to check your preferences, you come up to the account icon up here. Click the Email Preferences tab here, and these are all of the options you have. So I highly recommend checking off everything to follow the IPO market. You can get a weekly US calendar, quarterly reviews and special reports, weekly winners and losers, IPO market commentaries, and you can get favorite specific alerts. So anytime you favorite an IPO, you can get alerts right here. All initial filings. This is a new alert we recently added with our IPO Pro 2.0 update. So if you check this box, anytime an IPO files publicly, you will get an email alert as soon as it happens. So let's take a look at what some of these alerts look like. This is an example of a weekly US IPO calendar. So this will show you everything scheduled to go public that week. This comes out Monday morning. And of course, all of these companies are clickable to profiles on IPO Pro. Now the weekly winners and losers. This goes out on Friday nights for IPO Pro clients. And this gives you a quick little recap of the week and what you can expect in the week ahead. Here we have the top 5 and the bottom 5 performing IPOs for the week. This is an example of a favorites alert. So this is NEO's pricing alert. So if you favorite a company and you have favorite alerts enabled, you will get alerts just like this. And this is an example of our new filing alerts. So when Eventbrite filed, I had the setting checked off, so I got an email about it with file date, expected deal size, and underwriter. All right, that sums it up for email preferences. Thank you for watching.